In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change priority level in a Todoist task. Being able to quickly adjust a task priority is one of the best ways to stay organized and make sure the most important work gets done first. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Todoist account as we go. First, start by opening Todoist in your browser or on your desktop app. Navigate to the project where your task is located. This might be a work project, a personal list, or any folder you've set up. Take a second to scan through your tasks and decide which one you want to adjust. Once you've found it, click directly on that task to open its detailed view. This will usually slide out or pop up on the right side of your screen, showing the task name, due date, description, and other options. With the task view open, look for the priority indicator. Depending on your settings and theme, this is typically shown as a small colored flag or icon near the task name or in the task details area. Go ahead and click on that priority icon. When you do, a small menu will appear showing the available priority levels. These are usually labeled or visually distinguished by color, ranging from a very high priority down to a normal or low priority. Now it's time to select the new priority level. Think about how urgent and important this task really is. If it's something that needs to be done today or has a tight deadline, choose a higher priority. If it's more flexible or less critical, pick a medium or lower priority. Click on the option that best matches how you want Todoist to treat this task. As soon as you select it, you'll see the priority icon on the task update to reflect your choice. After you've made the change, take a quick look at your task list again. You should see the task visually stand out or shift position depending on how your view is sorted. Higher priority tasks are usually more prominent, which makes it easier to focus on what matters most. That's all there is to it. Open the task you want to change, click on the priority icon, and select the level that fits. Once you get used to doing this regularly, your Todoist will become a much clearer, more accurate reflection of your real priorities.